Today we'll be learning about how to generate unlimited AI images for free. Make sure to watch the video till the end so that you will get all the information about this video. So first of all, you will have to open the link that I provided on the description. So when you click on the link of my description, then you will get access to this GitHub page. The ultimate main screen or the welcome screen of GitHub page will look like this. You can click on sign in or sign up button and easily sign in or sign up to this GitHub page as well. When you scroll down, here you can easily find out the result that the GitHub has provided to us. So here the forest elf has been written here, and the forest elf has generated in this way by AI for free. So how can we also generate those unlimited AI images for free is simply you can scroll down to the bottom, and simply you need to click on this open in collab button here. So when you click, you will be taken to this interface where on the right hand side you will see connecting. Simply you can click on it and it will start connecting. Wait for a moment until the green tick mark appears on the screen, and it will read connected. So it's been connecting here, as you can see on my screen as well. So as I said earlier, the green tick mark will be shown. So here easily you can see the green tick mark has shown here, and at the left hand side you can see the play button. Simply you need to click on this play button and click on run anyway. Wait until all the codes and the command are displayed here on your screen. It might take 3 or 4 minutes, so wait until that. So here every command has been appeared. You have to wait until you see running on public URL. So you need to click on this URL. Then another page will appear on the screen. So here the ultimate page will look like this. Here is the option of input, image and advanced. Simply you have to click on advanced, and at right hand side you can see various type of settings here. You can customize the preset, performance, aspect ratios, image number, output format, and many more are given here. Also at the top you can see the style. You can choose any style you would like to generate the AI images. So here when I touch on the styles, then here I can see different styles, and here is the model as well. You can customize these models, and on advanced also you can customize all this option here. So after you have customized all the settings on here, the style, models and the advanced option, here you can type prompt and or paste parameters as well. So let's type in natural scenes with flowers and mountains, and let's click on generate. You have to wait for a while until it is getting loaded. So as you can see on the screen that I already have got the preview and the final image for the prompt that I have searched for. So here is the first sample and the other is here the second sample. You can simply click, and if you want to download you can click on this download button here at the top, and the image is being downloaded. So it has already been downloaded here. So in this way you can easily generate unlimited AI images for free. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.